Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick power hour clean with me. The baby just went down for a nap, so I probably have about an hour left. I'm gonna go ahead and set my quick timer on my phone and let's get started cleaning. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Veronica and I make videos for mamas to motivate them in all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. I hope you join my internet family by clicking that subscribe button just down below. It is completely free and it helps support me and my channel so much. Today we are getting started in the master bedroom. I'm in need of some fresh sheets, so we're going to go ahead and strip the bed and replace them with some clean ones. There is nothing better at the end of a long day than sinking into fresh and clean sheets. Tell me down below, do you feel the same way?
Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No, listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright.
So I'm going to go ahead and just throw these sheets into the washer and get those started, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold a load of towels that were in the dryer.
The sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
And the next thing on my list is the bathroom sink. So I'm going to go ahead and put away some makeup and do a quick wipe down of the sinks and make sure everything is put away. And now that the counters are all picked up, I'm going to go ahead and move back into the bedroom to clean up my side table. I don't know what it is about this, but it is always a disaster. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting away the different baby items, and then I'm going to bring them back into her room once she's awake. But the remainder of the items here will get put away, and then I'm going to go ahead and move downstairs. Here I'm just going to do a quick clean of our powder room so it's nice and fresh and clean for use. And for the toilet, I'm going to use the Clorox toilet wand and some Clorox wipes. I have not come across anything better than these toilet wands. They are just so convenient and nothing works better in my opinion. Tell me down below, what is your go-to toilet cleaning product?
I've got a ton of bad days lined up, and I ain't gonna chase no rabbits. You said it's not as bad as all that. Just need to take a deep breath and relax. We've got plenty of time tonight. Oh, everything's gonna be. So I dance through the long dark night, turning down all the city lights. Take my hand and make this life, I asked you to stay a while, but it's not easy making promises. You've got a habit of moving on, and so you'd rather be anonymous. You said it's not as bad as all that. Just need to take a deep breath and relax. We've got plenty of time tonight. Oh, everything's gonna be. So I dance through the long dark night, turning down all the city lights. Take my hand and make this.
And for the sink, I'm cleaning it out using just a multi-surface spray. I picked this one in particular at that Grow Collaborative. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the hand towel with a fresh and clean one. Finally, I'm going to clean the mirror, and once again, I'm going to use that Sprayway glass cleaner. I have mentioned before that I picked this up at Costco, but I will make sure to have a link down below for you for as many products as I possibly can. So make sure you check them out.
Turning down all the city lights. Take my hand and make this life. So I dance through the long dark night.
I still have about 15 minutes left on that timer, so I'm going to go ahead and move into the kitchen, and I'm going to begin by putting away some of the baby bottles and sippy cups.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand.
And I'm going to continue by emptying out the dishwasher and then doing the dishes that are in the sink. And I will finish up by cleaning off the counters.
In mind, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
And at this point, the baby did wake up from her nap, so I had to head upstairs and get her. Alrighty guys, the baby is up from her nap, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you found today's content motivating. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell so you don't miss another video. Bye!
I'm yours until the end of time.